Get the fuck out of my office, you black cunt. Oh, I was here for the interview. Am I in the right place? Yeah, I'm the boss and you're a black cunt, so get the fuck out of my office. Can I at least read my resume? Fuck. My name is Tiriakas Akikatschigagadurkigabstaki Granjadiki Nathan and I was born on the 16th of April 1978. Fuck, shut the fuck up and get out of my fucking office. I went to school at Special Kids Elementary and got a D's and 1C in my school career. I've had enough, get the fuck out before I call the cops. You mean I didn't get the job?